welcome back to another video. My name is BeDistinct. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new users, welcome back. And if you don't know, we're trying to hit 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could be a darling and help us out with the like and a subscribe, I'd appreciate it so much. So first off, I want to say a shout out to Destroyer. He said he's gonna hit 50k by the end of this year. Man, dude, if we hit 50k, if you got those dreams, bro, I'm right there with you supporting. 50k, bro, can we hit it by the end of this year? We'll find out. If you want to find out how to get shouted out, all you gotta do is comment down below and you get a chance to get shouted out. That's all you gotta do, man. Now today we are going to be fixing one of my favorite mods that I just realized yesterday that it broke. As you guys saw the previous video, if you haven't checked it out, bro, we went on a ride on a 500 wheel horsepower Q60 with the same color as mine. It's absolutely insane. So go click here on the top right, check it out, man. It's an awesome video. But anyways, when we were there, I was like, wait, what's going on? And I'm talking about none other than the freaking underglow on my car, bro. Let me show you. I know it's up bright in the day, but let me show you. I turn on the underglow, boom, we got this lit. Okay, that's good. We got the side. Okay, that's good. We got the back. Okay, that's good. What about the side over here? What about the wait a minute. What's going on over here? So basically that was my reaction yesterday, not right now. That was my reaction yesterday when I realized that one side of the underglow was not working. Now my favorite fear was that, my worst fear was that I didn't find nothing that was wrong. So I checked under the cables. My fear was that I couldn't find anything that was wrong, and I was like, man, the LEDs went out or something, right? But luckily, when we checked under the car, we found that the wire that leads to the LED bar is snapped. It must have snapped either when I was scraping or when I freaking jacked up the car. I don't think it's when I jacked up the car, honestly. It looks like a scrape, so I'm pretty sure it's when I scraped. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and fix that today. But before we fix that issue, I'm gonna show you another issue that we have with the G35. The suspension is creaking, and so we're gonna go ahead and take it to my mechanic and see what the problem is. We're gonna get a diagnostic, but let me show you what that problem is. It's making a squeaking sound. I fixed that, but now it's making a squeaking sound every time I turn the damn wheel. I'm not sure if you guys heard it that good, but here I got another clip where you can really hear the sound. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Oh yeah, I hear that.
Yeah, next video
We're fixing that. Good morning. I was getting on the curb to try to hear that freaking click, because that it does it when the wheel goes on top, like a speed bump or something. And you just, if you see me from the outside, it's just the car going in and out of the curb, and I didn't see a guy there just staring at me like, what is this man doing? And I'm just going in and out. That shit was hilarious, bro. I was like, I'm just gonna go with it, bro. I'm trying to film for you guys. So you guys saw in previous videos my ball joint is pretty busted, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but we're just gonna go ahead and double check. Oh, that one, it kind of did spin. That one did spin a lot. We're gonna see if we can fix the suspension before we get boosted. Also, we don't want to be boosted, pushing, you know, more power than stock, and then have some super bad bushings and, you know, put our life in danger. So right here. Man, it bogged. Bogged it, guys. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's also not the best conditions to wear chanclas on a freaking launch. That's probably also why I bogged it. Like the freaking bottom of my chancla is like getting stuck on the mat. So man, it's freaking hot. Look, you see the gauges? Sick, huh?
Oh, ¿te los pusiste apenas?
Yeah. Si está prendida, ahorita te va a aparecer el de los cats también, otra vez, aunque ya los tengo puestos.
No creo.
Yeah, I've been trying to erase la de airbag, pero no la puedo agarrar esa.
Oh, yo sé quién te lo puedo, ¿no?
¿Cómo se llama?
Good Flash Productions, how may I help you?
Thank you, Ghost Flash. I require your service.
Yes.
So you know how you're an electrician, right? So what are those kind of tools? What those little things that you put in the wire to like clip them? You know, you squeeze and then
Crimp connect.
What are they called?
A crimp connect.
A crimp connect?
Crimp, not crip. Crimp.
Crimp.
Yes.
Where can I obtain this crimp connect?
I recommend Harbor Freight because you can get like a 320 piece set for like, I think it's like 20 bucks.
Oh, okay. Harbor Freights. All right. That sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yep, have a good one. Shout out to Ghost Flash for the help. Thank you very much, my friend. And we're gonna go ahead and pick some up right now because, yeah, well, one of my favorite mods just decided to freaking take a dump. And so we're gonna go ahead and fix it today, okay? When things break, you fix them. That's what we do in this channel, man. Yes, sir. Grip, motherfucker. Woo. All right, y'all. So we just came back, but we just picked up, like Robert's recommendation, a freaking set of butt connectors. We're gonna need these to fix my favorite mod. But a little recap on the diagnostic of the issue. So he checked it under the car. It looks like it's the ball joint like I expected. Pretty easy to detect because control arms look good. We just replaced the compressor arms. So literally and we already have new end links. We have new sway bars, like literally everything that's left. It's either the end tie rods or the ball joint. And as you guys seen in previous videos, the ball joint is pretty dirty. It's pretty nasty. Grease is coming out. It's ripped. So that's probably the issue. So we already ordered new ball joints. We're gonna be filming that video for you guys when the ball joints, they come in Friday. We'll get back to it on Monday with the ball joint. But without further ado, we are going to fix my favorite mod today because we cannot be driving around there with this mod broken. It's just embarrassing. I mean, I have it off most of the times, but I mean, we still gotta fix it, bro. We can't just be 3 sides lit, 1 side not lit, bro. So all right, guys, so we got the car here jacked up a little bit. Just enough to give some space to deal with this problem. So as you guys can see, let me shine some light. So you guys can see the wire is dangling here, so I could have just scraped here on the side and then this could have ended up rubbing and ripping, but you guys can see there they're like ripping apart. So this pretty much, the wire is no longer connected. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it here, and then we do have extra wire, so we'll go ahead and tie this up, connect it, and we shall be done. No, I'm just kidding. They sell special tools to like freaking cut wire so you can expose the wire, but we just do it the old-fashioned way. Alright guys, so you guys can see we stripped off the little black thing, and you can see this is composed of 3 wires, a black one, a white one, and a red one. We did it on the opposite end right there, you can see. So basically now we just gotta cut the freaking plastic off each of the colors, match them with the color, and connect them together, and hopefully this thing turns on again. Alright guys, I kid you not, you guys can see the wires there, dude. They're all connected with the little butt connectors. I kid you not, I took like an hour just freaking, the wires are super thin, so they kept ripping and I kept doing it. It's just a whole mess. So let's hope that it turns on. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Let's look through the side here. It works. Alright, it works here in the front side. Please, please. We followed all the steps. It should work. I mean, it's pretty simple. Connect the wires, connect the colors, bro. It should be pretty simple. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. We finally did something right for once. That is what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, we fixed it.
What, the lights?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir. You guys can see they're all connected there. Let's see. We're gonna put some electrical tape, make sure it's all nicey and dandy. Put some new zip ties so it doesn't scrape no more. And right on, let's hope for the best. That looks good. What the hell was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, dude. Are they gunshots or what?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
I think they're fireworks. What's going on out here, dude? Let's check it out.
Nah, it's probably water drops instead of fireworks.
Alright, y'all, so in order to celebrate our lights, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog with the meets. We're gonna go to the meet, turn on the lights, make sure they work. We gotta test them out. So we're gonna go ahead and go for a drive, go to the meet, have some fun, and then end the vlog there. And And we're back from the meet. Just kidding, we didn't go to the meet. Apparently the meet got shut down within 10 minutes. So we actually met up with a couple friends, ate a couple chicken. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow we should be meeting up with a friend who has a 2D85 mother freaking GTR pushing a little bit over 700, I think. Let's just say he smoked the Jaguar, dude. Easy, he walked it, bro. So this is probably gonna be nuts as hell. I'm super excited, so stay tuned for that video tomorrow, and I'll catch you then. So thank you for supporting the channel, man. It means the world to me. We're on the grind of uploading daily, except we might have to break it this weekend. And that is because, like I said, my little brother's having a little graduation thing at the end, and family's coming over from SoCal. So I'm gonna have time spent with them. But more info on that. But we shall be back on Monday, strong, ready to film out till the end of July 31st, ready to tune this G35 with a damn supercharger. So I'll catch you guys then. Be safe. Love you guys. Be distinct, man. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.